Apple.
My first book of.
Fruit.
Okay, open. What is this?
Apple.
What is this?
Orange.
Okay. What is this?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. What is this?
Coconut.
Okay, very good. What is this?
Banana.
What is this?
Pineapple.
Very good. What is this? Peach.
Beach.
What is this?
Mango.
Very good. What is this?
Pacha.
Khabuja. Cantaloupe.
Kapucha. Bantu.
What is this?
Zap.
Khajur.
Kajur.
Date.
Date.
What is this?
Cherry.
Cherry. What is this?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. What is this?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Very good. What is this? Pear.
Pear.
Very good. What is this?
Grapes. Grapes.
So many grapes. What is this?
Huh?
Papaya.
Papaya.
Wow. What is this?
Amrut.
Guava.
Amrut guava.
Guava. What is this?
Plum.
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 What is this?
Kiwi. Kiwi.
What is this?
Toasted apple.
Custard apple.
Custard
What is this?
Orange.
No.
Grape.
Grapefruit.
Grapefruit.
What is this?
Avocado.
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 Okay, finished.